have got an idea that came from Dennis. On our carts that look like this, they used to be on top just wood. So we were finding that every time we would need to put metal on it, we'd have to position it correctly so that it wouldn't scratch. So what Dennis came up with the idea to go and grab some of the spare cardboard from glass. When they get glass A-racks in, there was always a piece of cardboard on the front, and then that would protect it from scratching or getting damaged. So all the extra pieces, he would grab them, cut them down to size, and then you put them on top so that they fit snugly, but you can still take them off if you need. So far we're finding that it protects all the pieces from scratching. It does a very good job of making sure that we're doing our part in making sure that the quality stays good. Thank you very much.